Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Cracking your knuckles doesn't weaken grip strength or dexterity. The popping sound is caused by gas bubbles bursting in joint fluid, not damage. Habitual cracking might cause minor swelling but doesn't lead to arthritis or reduced hand function. Unless it causes pain, cracking knuckles is harmless and won't affect your hand performance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.